Hi everybody, it's Kayjay from Metro Hobbies and I'm super excited. I've got something very different to show you today. This hasn't been in stock for a little while. It is the very first perfect grade Bandai ever did back in 1997. Without further ado, it's Evangelion EVA Unit 1. And I'm just going to first highlight, you don't need to see me, you need to look at this box art because this is gorgeous. This is the original artwork from the anime that for the End movie, Evangelion the End. So this is what the front cover looked. We're all excited to go into the cinemas to get that final conclusion. And they've packaged it gorgeously. So let's take a look at what this perfect grade entails. Now remember, it's their first one, and obviously they would have improved on so many different things, and I really hope they put out another one. But this is just, look at that beautiful book that has all the instructions. It's also got, hopefully you can see that, some detailed imagery and artwork. The instructions, yes, it's Japanese, but let's face it, it's also very just visual, and it has all the very clear pointing in what you're actually supposed to do. So it's a gorgeous production in terms of the instructions pamphlet there. Now, an Evangelion or an EVA unit is very different from your Gundam. A Gundam is obviously an animatronic beast. It's a robot that's piloted. Now there is a pilot, and Shinji is the pilot of EVA unit. This is the test unit type 1, so it's the very first one that appeared that he did in the Angel attack. It's a little bit more humanistic. It's a little bit more alive. And so to capture that, they do include all the framing parts, so like all the armor parts. What I wanted to point out is that they've actually used a suit. So this little black suit is to cover up the inner frame, and that's to give it a more living feel because you don't want to see all the robotic moving parts because the Evangelion is not a robot. So these are all your little outer armor pieces. I really like the way that they've colored it. It's very true to the original anime. I'll just point out just a couple of the things that they've included here. So there is some paint work to do. So they've got your you've got your rifle, got your nice lime green, which I quite like the color. They've gone to the trouble of including all the different types of the purple, so you can get that gradient fill. But then obviously you can add the detail to it. Now they've got the weapon set in here. Let's see, where have we got that? Here we have. Now this doesn't actually appear in it. But this weapon here is called the Magrox. It was designed for the original anime, but never used. But it's this giant sword that was designed specifically for EVA Unit 1. And it's really cool that they're putting it into this model so you can do those really cool epic type poses. But they've also got the progressive knife, which you'd be more familiar with. Now, something I want to draw your attention to, I should point out, you got the housing of Yuri in the little center there, or the soul of the beast. They've actually included a lighting kit in this. Now, we all know I like my bricks. I like to put lights in things, and I might be tempted to put this together and put my own lighting set in it with my own idea of how to design that. But it does, in fact, come with your classic little LEDs. So there's a little box that has all the detailed components, so all your little your decals and your stickers to give this a little bit more life. It's also got lighting, and the lighting's designed. How can I show you this best? It's designed to light up the eyes of the EVA, but also the chest unit, which is really the soul of the EVA unit. And I won't give too much away if you haven't seen it already. This is like a phenomenal anime. There's so much work gone into it. So the lighting's going to go into your chest unit and light that up, being the soul, and then also it'll light up the eyes, so you'll have that sort of action, living feel. But I would think that this has got some potential to do a whole bunch more with it. Really excited to have this back in. Very hard to get your hands on. It's the very first perfect grade. It's the Evangelion unit test type that Shinji piloted with the gorgeous purple and lime green highlights. If you haven't got it already, now's the time to pick it up. Obviously we have contactless click and collect and postage at the moment, and so I'll put all the links in the description below. And as always, if you can imagine it, you can build it.